my name is Robert, and this is the lovely Petra who's helping me out here in SloWestFest in Slovenia, Ljubljana. Okay, so this was our tuck your turns class. We started with some variations. We were working off of two basic tuck turns, the regular sugar tuck and then the left side pass tuck. So the first thing we were doing was what we call an elbow catch with a change of direction. So this became a 10 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Remember, gentlemen, just stay in your hook triples. That will lead the lady back through the body. The second one we did was from what we call a cross hand, right over left. So shake, shake. This is a 6 count. Then we did a run around that we ended up doing in 12 counts, but it could be less or more. We did 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now I run around, splitting the arms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay? Then we did a sugar tuck, a single sugar tuck with the ladies. If you lead the basic single tuck, you can just do an easy flare. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Flare 5 around 6, and then swivel out of it on 1. Then the last one we did what we call a shoulder lockdown. So we did the same cross hand tuck again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now I side pass, so keeping the wrists together. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Or coming into the slot 5 and 6. The idea is that you want to make sure that the left hand goes underneath the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then out on count 1, ready to go. Okay? So that does it for our tuck your turns. See ya.